In this video, we're going to take a look at a heavy-duty outdoor weatherproof doormat. It's 17 by 30 inches, but it does come in different sizes and different colors. We got a very thick absorbent rubber at the very bottom, which helps the rug to be non-slip and create less friction on any type of surface. Moreover, it can absorb water and trap lots of dirt in your shoe, which is great for wiping your shoe when it comes to mud. The winterproof rug is very easy to clean. Just take a hose and spray it, and you can even scrub it with a brush, and it's not going to rip the carpet looking like texture on top. Stay tuned for the whole video. Hey everybody, so we needed a rug for the outdoor because we just put new flooring in. Came across this on Amazon. So it traps dirt. It's got thick tufted material that's going to help collect excess dirt and debris. It's water resistant, which means you can stick this out in winter time, and it's going to prevent any mud messes. It's good for kitchens, entries, patios, garages, again because of its durable surface underneath and on top. And you can basically vacuum it, rinse it, shake it off, whatever you want to do. Here it is. We wanted to get a long one. It actually looks pretty nice. There you go. And there you go. It rolls out pretty nice. Let's see if there's a smell to it. No, just brand new manufacturing. And at the back, it's all rubber. That's important because a lot of the doormats have this material that over time, it's going to essentially just rip apart and speckle up. So it's going to start releasing like all this crap that you're going to have to clean up all the time. So this is it. Again, you see, so if you have it actually traps it. I'll show you. So what you do is you just see that, and all that dirt is essentially going to get picked up by here. Our purpose is to replace this one. So here is the mat. It looks pretty spacious. It's exactly the right size that we were looking for because we wanted to have space for that. The grooves are nice and thick. You can see that they actually capture quite a lot of dirt. So you just kind of do this and then you enter the house. Definitely happy with this. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.